Hey everyone, welcome to Man Who Eats, and today I'm eating tender, juicy pork chops on the Big Green Egg. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to be notified every time I come out with a new recipe. Now let's get to those pork chops. Pork chops don't have to be dry, and I found two keys to a perfect pork chop on the grill. The first, set your grill up for a lower temperature, 300 degrees direct ought to do it. I find pork tends to seize up when it hits a super hot grill, so keeping the temperature a little lower keeps the meat tender. The second key to a perfect pork chop on the grill is to pull the chops at 135 degrees internal temperature. Pulling them at 135 ensures they won't overcook on the grill, and they'll come off and reach a perfect temperature while maintaining their juiciness and tenderness onto the plate. Today I have 4 1-inch thick chops I'm seasoning simply with salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. No more, no less. Once your grill is up to 300 degrees, put the chops on, cover, and cook for 5 minutes. Next, turn the chops 90 degrees and cook for another 5 minutes. Yes, that's 10 minutes on the first side, which sounds like a lot, but at this lower temperature and because these are thick chops, they will not overcook, I promise. If you have thinner pork chops, turn the meat at 2.5 minutes and flip at 5 minutes. Basically cut the cooking time in half, depending on how thick your pork chop is, and also if it has a bone in it. These are boneless pork chops. A bone-in pork chop may take a touch longer and really rely on that internal thermometer. After 10 total minutes, flip and cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, you can start checking the internal temperature. At this point, they may need an additional minute or two, maybe up to 5 minutes to finish and get to that pulling temperature. When the chops have hit 135 to 140 degrees, go ahead and pull them off the grill. Any more time on the grill and the carryover cooking will overcook the chops. After a 5-minute rest, the chops will be tender, flavorful, and most importantly, juicy. Slice them thin and serve over sauteed spinach. I also made a quick herb gremolata with olive oil, chopped rosemary, sage, and thyme to spoon over the top of the chops just to add a little bit more of that earthy herbal flavor. All that's left to do is dig in and enjoy. I hope you liked this recipe. It's available on my website at manwhoeats.com and linked in the description below. And remember to hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.